Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to add meta description on Blogger. So here I already opened my Blogger. So you have to open blogger.com and then make sure you already choose the blog that you want to edit the meta description. So you just go to settings. And then the meta description, it should be here with the description. So this is basic description. That's it. That's the meta description of your blog for your homepage of your blog. And then make sure you turn on this one, the privacy visible to search engines. And then if this kind of method, this easy method is works if you're not customize your blog theme. So if you are using the default or just simple modification of your blog theme, this description would be work as meta description. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.